Hey guys! For today's 11th daily design challenge, we are going to be doing something that's kind of crazy, kind of out of the box, more than usual, and it's going to be creating creating business cards for planets. And you can choose whatever planet you want. And I thought this would be a cool challenge just to kind of push your creativity and see what you can come up with. And yeah, you can choose whatever planet you want, and you can kind of see it in a sense of maybe tourism, think about the characteristics and qualities and kind of show it in an interesting light in this business card. I chose Saturn, but you can choose whatever planet you want. You have 1 hour to create this business card. Let's get this challenge started. Ooh, shiny.